If you need a foam washer cannon, definitely check this one out. So this was a sample given to me by the brand, so thank you so much. As you can see, it comes with the washer, the spray cannon and all of that. Shows you exactly how to connect it. It comes with the foam cannon and the washer. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I haven't opened it in the sense of like, assembling it, but that's comes with this. And I'm just unboxing it here. And then it also comes with the foam cannon, and then as you can see, also has the pressure washer part. So there you go. So it comes with everything. It's really good. It's heavy. It'll get everything you need clean done, and that's the other piece that it comes with. So you just assemble it to your hose outside and give it a good clean. You can clean your car, floor, yeah, lots of stuff. So definitely check it out, and hope you enjoy it and hope it keeps it clean.